Hey everyone, today we're going to clean and polish the fiberglass cap on the front. As you can see, it's kind of whitish color, and that is the oxidation in it. We're going to be using Meguiar's. Here's the product. It is a cleaning and waxing compound. It's for marine and RV. So this is for light. We might have to do a couple applications because I think it's a medium to a heavy, but we'll give this stuff a try and see how it goes. So you can already see doing the one pass, the black that's been done versus the oxidized part that hasn't been done. What a difference. So this is just the first time. I'll probably go over it a second time. As you can see, it's much better than what it was. I'll probably do it again in a few days, but it looks way better now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.